please wait up.
I'm not waiting for you all day. I'm just not gonna do it. You know, you should actually come with me more often.
Out here? Yeah, I don't think so.
I don't see what the big fuss is. It's just walking.
Yeah, but up a really big-ass hill for a few miles.
So you see why it's fun.
No, I see why you're crazy. You know, maybe I'd come out here more often if you'd stop criticizing me for being slow. What, so now you got nothing to say?
Please help me. Jacob, come on. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. What's your name? Can you tell me your name?
Mara.
Mara, I'm Lily, and this is my brother Jacob, okay? We're gonna help you. It's gonna be okay.
Our car isn't too far from here. Would you like to come with us?
Please, you have to help me.
Mara, what happened?
We were attacked. They held me down and made me watch. I couldn't save him. I wish I could have done something. I couldn't save him. I'm so sorry.
Mara, did they hurt you too?
They did things to me, and I tried. I did. He was my world. And
Are these people still around?
I don't know. After they attacked, they just left me there alone.
Please come with us. We can get you help.
Help, please!
We're parked just a little out this direction. We should probably get moving.
Thank you both so much.